An ocean is a very large area of salt water. Most of the earth is covered in ocean. There are 5 oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. It reaches from North and South America to Asia and Australia. The Pacific Ocean is surrounded by a line of volcanoes known as the Ring of Fire. It is also home to the Great Barrier Reef, which is the largest coral reef in the world. Challenger Deep, the deepest point on Earth, is in the Pacific Ocean. The word Pacific means peaceful. The Atlantic Ocean is the second biggest ocean in the world. It reaches from North and South America to Europe and Africa. The Atlantic Ocean is huge, but only half the size of the Pacific Ocean. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge, the longest mountain range in the world, is underwater in the Atlantic Ocean. The first person to sail across the Atlantic Ocean from Europe to America was Leif Erikson, a Viking, in the year 1000. The Indian Ocean is the third biggest ocean in the world. It is named after the country of India. The Indian Ocean is home to many endangered sea creatures, including turtles, seals and dugongs. The Southern Ocean is the second smallest ocean in the world. It is also known as the Antarctic Ocean as it surrounds Antarctica. It is known as the wildest ocean in the world. The Southern Ocean is home to emperor penguins, blue whales, elephant seals, giant squid and the wandering albatross. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. It surrounds the Arctic. Often, the Arctic Ocean is completely covered in ice. Polar bears live on the ice that covers the ocean and can swim in the water. Because of climate change, the amount of ice covering the Arctic is getting smaller every year. Oceans make up over 70% of the Earth's surface. There are over 700,000 different species of animal that live in the ocean. It is important to protect the oceans to make sure their habitats are safe. The ocean is also full of tiny plants which help to produce oxygen, which we need to breathe. On top of this, oceans also provide food for many creatures, including humans. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.